We're just going to pick up right where we left off. And what I want to do, this is all the editing that we've been working on and talking about with this one home page. And I'm just going to show you by clicking on the dashboard that this button takes us right back to that first page we had with the dashboard. And let's look now, we've been working with pages so much, let's look at how you're going to create a new page. And we'll talk about what happens with that new page. So again, you select pages over here on the right hand side. You'll see an option, or sorry, on the left hand side, and an option pops up for new. Select new, and now you have a new blank page that you can work with. And you type in your title. We're just going to call this new page. And we're just going to put in temporary placeholder, if I could type, for future text. There. Now, from right here, I can either, you see these options over here, I can save this as a draft, I can preview what I've already saved, or I can publish it. And perhaps I'm not ready to publish it, so I save it as a draft, and that's fine. And it's something that only I can see when I log in. But before we do any of this stuff, we want to remember a couple things. The first thing we want to remember is to scroll down and under discussion, uncheck allow comments and allow pings. And again, that'll take the commenting option off your pages. From there, I'm going to go ahead and publish this so that we can see what happens. So let's publish this page. You see this button we looked before, what used to say update page, and now it was saying publish. And now I'm going to go look at our visual site and refresh it. And lo and behold, I have a link in the navigation now called new page. In a moment, I'm going to show you how to, and again, if I click on the new page, you'll see that this says temporary placeholder for future text, yada, yada, yada. This is a great time too to mention that edit this entry or edit this page. This is something you can use when you're on the visual edit, when you're on your website in the browser to get back to your editor. This does not, the edit this entry or edit this page does not show up when you're not logged into WordPress. Let me just make that. So in a moment, I'm going to show you how to work with the navigation so that you can change the order of these things, you can hide things from the navigation, and so on and so forth. So we'll get to that in just a second.